What's going on, FMFAM? It's your boy. We're gonna pick up where we left off from last video, which was where we separated the engine from the transmission, and we're gonna swap it over. It might just be a swap over. Yeah, we're just gonna swap it over. Let's get to it.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
flex plate, we don't have to index it, although it does have an index point right here. There's an index point right here. But either way, I'm gonna set it up to reach it. hold the drink? It's not gonna be it.
I thought you were gonna just hold it right there. Let's go.
Oh, I see.
It's better private than this shit.
Want to make sure.
I don't know, you would be going that way.
84 pounds just seems like a lot, right?
Yeah.
Hard to suck.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the thing you bring. You don't ever wanna give me room. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this is
You know, I'm gonna install one bolt.
gaslighting and confusing.
It's gonna be my pivot bolt.
Is it me and I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish
Now
you'd
take
tell me
the
like
other side and see what I'm talking about.
when I'm alone with you, I
Got
never
pivot bolt on the other side. I'm
I wish I wasn't struck like you
slid it.
did. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart's
Look
been
at that percolator's lined up too. All in one shot.
never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there.
Now, this thing ain't changed. I no longer need this lift anymore, so let's wheel it back to the stall. First, I want to clean my stall because it's a little oily, a little coolanty. So let's get the stall freshened up and we'll get back. Give me 1 minute. All right.
that we can continue to
put this engine together.
In the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got